We can manipulate dates and we can add or subtract duration of time from the date to get some other dates. Let's assume we want the date of day after 1 day or after 7 days. We can get that easily. There are lots of ways you can achieve this result, but for now let's do it in our own way. Let's call mktime function and put a plus sign, means we need to add time. As you know, mktime returns number of seconds, so we can add seconds in this. Let's assume we want to add 1 day in current time. To do so, we need to add seconds equivalent to 1 day. So let's convert 1 day in seconds. 1, that is 1 day, multiplied by 24, that is the hours in 1 day, multiplied by 60, that is minutes in 1 hour, and multiplied by 60, that is seconds in 1 minute. And that's all. Let's store these total number of seconds till tomorrow in a variable and name it tomorrow. Now we need to present it as formatted date. So let's use the internal function date. Let's just put d in the function as first argument, which will show us name of the day. Now let's just put variable tomorrow as the second argument here. Just echo it out and let's just get back to the browser to view the result. Hit refresh and you can see it's Wednesday, which is actually tomorrow, and right now it's Tuesday here. Now let's convert the format to display full date by putting MDY, and here we go. It shows 12th, which is the date tomorrow. Now to add 7 days in our current time and date, just put 7 instead of 1. Go back to the browser, hit refresh, and you can see 7 days have been added to the current date. You can do same thing with time instead of mktime, and for now there would be no difference at all. In PHP, there is a function which converts string to time. Using this, we can change any reasonable string pointing to date can be converted to readable dates. Let's create a variable user_defined and store a string in it. Sunday 26th July 2015. You can see this a pure string. Now let's convert this string to time. str_time is an internal function. Let's just call this and store result in a variable timestamp. Just echo it out, hit refresh, and you can see our PHP has converted it to seconds till that date. Now let's use the internal function date and define the format we require and put this timestamp variable as a second argument. Let's check this out in the browser, and here you can see 26th July 2015. Below here you can see this we have in our calendar 26 and Sunday and 2015. So in short, we just got some string which might have date in words like this and converted it to time, which produced seconds, and then we formatted it to our required format. There are lots of things you can do with date and time, and there are lots of notations you can use for different kinds of date formatting. So I recommend you to visit php.net. Here you can see lots of functions dealing with date and time. You can take a look at these, but don't let yourself confuse. Right now I just want you to explore date function thoroughly, so just write it in the search box and find it. Here we are at this page. Just go through it and you will find yourself comfortable using date function and using it in your projects.